But no, guys, remember we talked about the PNP fake parliament last night, because that is the closest Peter Bunting and Diane Scott Matley is gonna get to a parliament in the true sense, because me telling you already from last night, Diane, what's your name? Dana Scott Matley will never win a seat because fear name can't go on ballot because she can't win. No, the non-integrity commission, after 3 years, they might investigate the prime minister, as I said, from Sunday night. Then bring in everybody, then throw the down to the kitchen sink at the prime minister and nothing no stick. Now they call on the FID, which from day one, I told you guys that the FID is a part of the government. From day one, I told you guys that the TAJ is a part of the government, not really a part of, but the report to the minister. And from day one, me said to myself, how the Integrity Commission is asking the JLP to investigate themselves. It is just a farce. It is just a setup. And guys, so said, so done. Here come Nana Use Bunting, we get robbed on a Portland. Big alabaloo today saying, oh, the PNP is concerned because there's no director at the head of the FID. Duh! What is on the point? What is on the point, PNP? Let me tell you something, PNP. First of all, 4 days ago, the Observer post and say the Prime Minister's statutory declaration already gone to the FID and the TAG. So for Philip Palwell and him crew to and the committee board them bring this motion, that's just a waste of time. That's just political gimmickry. That's the first thing. Second of all, the head of the FID will be appointed by the JLP government. So at the end of the day, anything will come out at the end of this investigation, the PNP are gonna say it is not the right it is tainted. The PNP is gonna say that it is not fair. So what is the purpose of sending the report to these bodies then? And guys, comrade, explain to me, what is the purpose of sending the report to them bodies here? When at the end of the day, the PNP same one are gonna say a JLP run them agency here. What is the sense? It's just political gimmickry. Just game man, just all politics by the Integrity Commission. All politics by Comrade Kevin Stevens. As it is now, Kevin Stevens, me don't know, you not have no shame, Kevin Stevens. Because you get that job there because of politics and you're up there undermine and sabotage the government and you don't even have any shame because everybody call for you to step down and you're not step down. Eh? What is the purpose of sending an unfinished report to the parliament, I see? What is the purpose of that? And then PNP keep one fake parliament because as we tell you before, they have to be fake because Bunting now sit down in a no parliament. Hear them now. Hear them now. Hear the PNP now. Oh, the prime minister. Well, they're alluding or they're trying to say, they're not say it straight out, that the prime minister opened up an account without no money and in order to get money from SSL. And you have the empty brains comrade them around with that. At the end of the day, comrade, the overseas investigator go through every single account that the prime minister have. Overseas auditor, Mark what an auditor, Bunting an auditor. Shaky Julian and an auditor, and can we not see Dana Scott Matley and an auditor, and the overseas forensic auditor that are trained people, qualified people, go through every nook and cranny, line item by line item, and they found nothing. What PNP? What do I try prove? So I don't expect we just sit down on this propaganda straight until election next year. Eh? In PNP, in Mark Gole, fi just sit down pan this nonsense for the whole of the year till Christmas and pick it up next year. You not plan fi come with no policy. You not plan fi come with no policies and no plans for the Jamaican people. Me hear say you say, cause I didn't watch your conference because I didn't have the time to waste. But me hear say you say when PNP farm government, PNP I go pay, I go make the teachers them teach the parents them after school. No, comrades, is that true? Did Mark Jefferson go and read really say when the PNP farm government we're not gonna put policies in place so the teacher them can teach the parent them after school over? Not go so. Mark you. I didn't hear it with my own ears. But me hear one comrade say it last night. So Mark Jefferson Golding said in his speech when the PNP farm government them go after school for parents with teacher go. Which teacher? Mark, which teacher will left them yard from 6:30 in the morning? We have their husband and them pitney and their house to take care of. I go left them yard from 6:30 and I teach people pitney till 2:30, 3:30 and then turn around and teach parents. What about get time for them family, Mark Golding? And next thing, where are you going to get the money from to pay these teachers? Where are you going to get the money from to pay these teachers for the after school, Mark Jefferson Golding? Because remember, you already promised the PNP people them, so when you come in a government, you're going to give them 10% of the budget to buy chicken back and rice. Remember, you already promised the PNP people, Marky G, that when you farm government, you're going to take 10% of the budget and give PNP people to buy chicken back and rice. So where are you going to get the money from to pay a teacher to do after school? Where will this money come from? Are you planning to put more tax on the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golding? Talk to me. Are you planning to put more tax on us, Mark Jefferson Golding? Because I don't understand Daddy's strength. Me hear say Mark Jefferson Golding say when he farm government, he might go have after school program where teachers are going to teach parents. Where am I going to get them teacher them from? Where will he get those teachers from, comrade? First of all, no teacher now left the yard from 6 o'clock. And all when time 8 o'clock at night, they not gone home back to their family. You think the teacher are careless people? You think the teachers are careless people, Mark Golding? The teacher them have their life and them have their family. Oh, you get the teacher them to stay back after school to do that? How are you going to implement that? Did it, comrades? Did Market G elaborate on how we're going to put this program together? How am I going to make it work? I am very curious to know. Because me know I know a lot of teachers. I have to go ask the teacher them if Mark Golding consult them about this plan. I'm very curious to know where Mark Golding are going to get money from Phoenix to pay the teacher them for after school. Because remember, Mark Golding say when in farm government, he might go use some of the money where Dr. Clark can use and pay down the debt and give to PNP people so they can buy more rice and flour and sugar and oil and ketchup and toothpaste and soap. So where more get the extra money from? And also, me hear some Mark Jefferson Golding say in his speech that when he farm government, he might go make people start pay again to use the hospital. Is that so? Talk to me, comrades. Talk to me, my beloved comrades. Is that so? Me hear some Mark Jefferson Golding say when the PNP farm the next government, they are gonna implement back pay to use the health facilities. You know see that? I remember, you know, guys, PNP in the 18.5 years of Percival, Noel, James Patterson, PNP did not build not one single hospital, you know, guys. Remember When under the 18 and a half years of Percival Noel James Pattison, the People's National Party administration did not build not one single hospital. And here comes Mark Jefferson Gold. But guys, let me tell you something. You know the reason why Marky G say him a go make you start PFU's hospital again? Because of the PNP private hospital them where they bought the place. Wanna do no research? Me not have to tell you no. Do no research, comrade, and look how many PNP doctors open up them private facility. That is the reason why Mark Jefferson Golden is now telling you guys you have to go pay now, because what am I going to do? He go funnel government resources through the private PNP hospital them. Mark my words. Guys, you know, remember me telling you that. The reason why Mark Jefferson Golden is saying that he's gonna allow him to tell people not to pay for use hospital is because the PNP doctor them open whole heap of private facilities all over the place, and then make no money because the people them can go public free, UE free, and then soon can go Cornwall regional free. So Mark Golden